I'm Mustaqeem, founder of Click Optimizer. We help businesses to grow through website, marketing, and AI automation. I want to help business to get real growth, not just a website or one-time service. We focus on business result, conversion, and long-term growth. We work with education, healthcare, cleaning, and other service businesses. AI automation, professional website, CRM, and performance marketing. No, AI is helping developer to work faster, but strategy and technical expertise are still important. They build a website without a clear marketing and conversion strategy. Branding builds trust and stronger your connection with your customer. It depends on the project and business goal. SEO is long term, paid ads work faster. A combination works best. Sales and communication. Using AI to improve business operations. Creating value and helping business to grow.